Welcome to this new video. Here we'll be learning about Tux Paint. So we have Tux Paint in front of us. So how to use that? It is very easy. You have Paint tool, and every time you press this, it will make some sound. So this, if I choose anything, you can see how it is. Once I click, it is making some sound. Okay, so it is very interesting. And once I click the new button, then you can select any file from here, any type of file. If you like it, you can keep it, or you can click the back button. So let us start by selecting any one of them. You can select any one of them, and that will be your background. Now it is white, so you can see the white screen in the back, right? So what I'm trying to do, let me select this paint brush tool, and then after that select any color from here. Okay, any color it is given. So let me select the red color, and in the right side you can see the thickness of the brush. So let me choose here, and you can see it is like this. Okay, so you can see easily that. Okay, so depending upon the thickness you want, you can create this, you can draw according to the need. We have line 2. Similarly, if I click, and we can choose the brush from here, and depending upon that we can draw the things. So if I click, you see, because I have selected the thickest one, so it is coming like this. Let me click a smallest one, and you can see. Okay, so depending upon the thickness it will draw. Then uh, we have shapes. Okay, so to draw the shape, let me take the eraser tool first. So this is my eraser tool, and let me erase. Okay, so I have erased everything, and let me take the shape. So if I click shape, there are two types of shapes. If you see, one is having with without uh, the middle is not filled with black ink, and one is filled with black. That means one will be a square where only the boundary you can see, and another one will be a square uh, with background, or you can see the area is filled with the black. So let us draw the square. So if I try to draw a square, it will be like this. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to select the square first, click, drag, and it will be like this. You can first, if you click and drag, then it will, you can increase or decrease the size, and then after removing the mouse, now you can rotate it. So now I am rotating. Now if I click here, then it will be, now it is there in my screen. So what is the, let me choose the square with black background. Now if I draw, if I try to draw, and again it, I can rotate. So I have, after rotation, if I click, then the middle of that square is also filled up with color. Let me choose the yellow one. Let me try to draw one circle. So if I click and drag, then the circle is like this. You can see pentagon. If I take pentagon, you see the area is not filled because I have selected the shape without filled color. But if I click the pentagon with color, now if I click and drag, After that it will ask me to rotate it, and if I click, then the middle is also filled up with this. So let me erase it. So in the when I try to erase it, you can see there are different types of shapes also available. Okay, so depending upon the portion that you want to erase, you can choose the shape. So let me choose the right shape. Okay, now let us go back and take this line tool. Let me, and you can see there are lots of shapes in the shape. So if I click this button in the brush tool, you can see there are shapes, right? So click the paint tool and click this button, arrow button, which is here. Here you can see the arrow button, right? This arrow button, this arrow button. So if I click this arrow button, then it will take me down, and you can see lots of shapes are there. So that is a shape that looks like, you can see I can draw the shape like this. Just a minute, let me take it up. Let me increase the size, so it is like this only. Let me take the shape of this, and you can see the color. Okay, if I take this, and you can see how I am drawing the footsteps. Okay, so this is very interesting. Let me take this this one, and you can see it is actually, can you see this? Let me show you. You see, this is a great brush tool that I am using. So this is an amazing brush tool. Okay, so let me take this. See, what is this? Okay, this is another tool which is actually drawing the stones, I think. Okay, very nice. So here there are available brushes there. Okay, so click, and if I once click, then it will draw like this. Okay, so click here, so like this. So next one will be this way. Yes, next one here, next one here. Okay, so there are lots of very interesting brush tool. You see, this is cat. So cat, if I draw like this, then cat is running. If I draw brush from the bottom, brush is running this way, and you can see cat is running. Okay, so this is a great brush tool which you can use. Let me erase the screen. Okay, now this is which brush tool that we have used. Now you have text. So if I click here, and if I click in the middle, now I can write the text. So this is a very easy tutorial. Okay, full stop. Okay, so like this you can add. Now we have, one is text level, one is text. So let me take it the level. Let us see. So this is computer. Okay, so I have written this, and you can see in the right side you have lots of option types. Okay, there are different types. Okay, and also you can see bold, italic, small. You can make it large, you can make it small. Okay, different styles are available in the right side. So accordingly, you can choose any style that you want. So this is a very easy drawing software and very interesting too. Okay, so this is our, you can see this is our label, and let us see what is our, let me take one shape and draw it over like this. Okay, so this is my shape tool in place. Okay, let me take the magic tool. So what magic tool will do, if I click here, click and drag the mouse around to make the picture. Okay, so around the picture, okay, let me take blur tool. If I click here, so you can see it is getting blurred, right? This is getting blurred. Okay, so using this blur tool, you can see clearly we can blur it. Then blocks, let me see what it is doing, and go, and you can see it is actually making it. Let me take the chalk. You can see what exactly it is doing. Okay, clone. It is making the clone. Okay, clone of this fish eye. Okay, so what fish eye do, you can see. So these are the few of the tools, and very easy to use. Okay, very easy to use, and different effects also we can give here. So in the upcoming videos we'll try to explain this magic wand tools, but I hope how to use the paint Tux Paint tool, it is clear to you. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.